Something there. A bit better. Summertime, and the living is easy, so to say. We're a long way from Louisiana here. There ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she rolls away. Wondered this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone to stay. 'Cause there ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. In the summertime, the living is easy. Kids are jumping in the Royal Canal. But there ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Warm when she's away. This little piggy, he went to market. This little piggy, he stayed at home. This little piggy, he had his lunch. This little piggy, hey little piggy, a huff, a puff, the big bad wolf he down. Ain't no beat, don't do me wrong. It's always gone too long when you go away. I know. Hey, I ought to leave this young thing alone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Whoa, yeah. I know that there ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long, or too wrong. She's probably gone too wrong again. I know there ain't no sunshine when she's gone wrong. She's gone wrong and wrong and wrong and wrong. Don't let me down. Ain't no gun, but do be down. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when my pocket's gone. It's always gone too long. That's why she's away. I know the key to her soul, just to keep on keeping on. She got no heart to bring along. That's why she gone away. Why she's got to stay. Ain't no beat, don't do me wrong. Just ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's too warm when she's away. Follow your heart, your heart, your heart, your heart, your heart. The starters, you won't ever be alone. You'll always be wrong when you're gone. Cause in the summertime and the living is easy, the trees are jumping across the Grand Canal. The kiddies are bumping, the mothers are jumping. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. Your mama's rich and your daddy's good looking. I know this bitch, she plays the lazy as these. don't tell me no. Big ones, I tell them all. And hush, little baby, it's gone at the door. Let it out and let it in. Hey Jude, don't you know, or no, you know it's a fool plays it cool. With a being alone with you inside my door. And in my dreams I kissed your lips 1,000 times. Sometimes I see you pass inside my door. Hello, it's me you're looking. I know, 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 I know. Ain't no beat, don't do me wrong. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Inside my door, and in my dreams I kissed your lips 1,000 times. Sometimes I see you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? Hello, hello, 'cause I wonder what you do. You're somewhere feeling lonely, or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart. Sure, I haven't got a clue. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. You can bring a horse to water, but you cannot make a drink. Think I fall to pieces. Think I fall apart. Baby, baby, when I know you, breaking down my heart. I'm not in love with you, I'm not in time with you, but where am I? Where are you? I respect what you do, I love you. Who else? I'm your big tree. It's a good job there's no sea trawlers out there throwing out sardines to be seabirds following it, you know? Imagine being a seabird living out in a house somewhere like her. Sandy might be what a life. Heading into Geffen Street to see if they fucked out last hour's Big Macs out the back. Have a scrap out of them. Do you remember Mick the seagull? He fucking self and Johnny went for the same Big Mac there 3 o'clock Thursday. They're both out of it. Gone. Done. I mean, all the seagull folklore, like those gossiping paddies of mist. The king of the seagulls. Like, no one, you know. I wonder if bird watchers, like, there must be. I don't know if they live like that. I don't know. you know what I mean. We're into like we're silverbacks, aren't we? So yeah, that's how they do. We're not far off it. You know, and it's great, like you know. But well, it's can be sore, you know. You need a tough mind and heart for it. I heard your man's got a great voice. There's no way he was rock and roll though. You know. Far too. I mean, good looking fella. I mean, you know, in Ham tonight, like, you know, they're hanging out. Well, no, you can't do that in Dublin anymore. You can't. You can't. There's no one hanging up outside their gaffs having a few beers tonight. No one. It's cold as well, fair enough. But what's his name? Is it Richards? Keith Richards? Isn't he the one from Rolling Stones? How does he do that? Fancy cars going by. It ain't the real thing. See you later.